Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Chantal, and we are
Growing Up Without Borders.
And today we'd like to welcome you guys to Bangkok, Thailand! Welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, a family of 5 on a mission to travel to every country in the world. For the last 2 years, we were in New Zealand, and prior to arriving in New Zealand, we were in Thailand and Cambodia. So welcome to our travel series pre-COVID.
Take a road and a road to the open air. Anytime and a place, and I'll meet you there. Blow back those clouds, and you and I will bring the sunshine.
Little did we know COVID-19 was going to be such a big pandemic, so we were still kind of in shock when we saw these heat scanners and such leaving the airport. It's like a heat camera.
So that was for arriving passengers, so they see if you have like a fever or any of that.
This was our flight leaving Sri Lanka on our way to Bangkok.
Like we do here. Here we go.
Oh, this is a surprise. I didn't realize they serve food. But we're getting our first Thai meal. Yum, yum, yum. I love this. Here at the airports, you're starting to see more and more of this, say, Angelique? And they show how many water bottles they've actually saved.
Look, it stops automatically.
So cool.
To make it right, to follow through, it's up to us. I don't know what
Look at this. Feels good to be back with
And it's a
Starbucks
7-Eleven.
and 7-Eleven. Just feels nice to be back with
And
everything modern.
it just gives us a change, like different dynamics of people and food. Back to Thai food.
So we arrived here. The airport to the downtown is about a 40-minute drive, and they have an app called Grab, which is really easy to use, just like Uber. So it takes your credit card and super duper simple to set up. OMG, it's like a fancy Uber ride. We pulled into the Conrad Bangkok, which is a beautiful 5-star hotel, right centrally located to everything in Bangkok.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you.
This is the beautiful room we're staying in. Oh, wow. Look at the nice teddy bear they gave us on the bed.
Holy macaroni.
What is it?
There's a tuk-tuk and chocolate.
What?
That's crazy.
Oh, that is so cool. Look at that.
These
nice.
things.
Do you remember those fruits, Angelique?
We had them at the coffee plantation. Where
That
those
is so
cute
cool.
animals were.
And they give you like these really nice coconut rice crackers too.
Mom, come here for a second.
It's beautiful.
Can I show you something hilarious?
Yes. Show me. I need to put my bag down.
Talking bathrooms.
No way.
We're back to futuristic. I remember these from last time we were here.
What? The toilets?
Toilets.
Oh, these are the coolest toilets in the
Oh,
world.
what do they do?
They sing, they play music, they warm
No
up.
way.
Yeah, you gotta try those toilets. And this is the girls' room. So they've got 2 beds. Oh, they're already into the chocolate. You guys, is it good?
Yeah. It's just
It's
pure
dark
chocolate.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, Chloe's just mowing down on the, the tuk-tuk. This here is the Conrad downtown in Bangkok. And
This is incredible.
It's so pretty. Look at outside. Okay, this won't, you can't see it right.
Okay.
But there's the skyline, and down below is the tennis courts and this beautiful pool.
And not only is it just one tennis court, there's like 2 to play on, which is crazy.
That's gonna be fun. Love hotels that give you chocolate.
And it's just
We're missing our
and to
chocolate
have,
too.
like, a bathtub and normalcy. Hallelujah, we have a bathtub.
Look at their beautiful bathroom. Look at this. This gorgeous bathtub for the girls. And the coolest toilet ever, right, girls?
Oh, that's so cool.
For those of you guys who don't know what this is, basically we have a rear off-on button for ventilation and dryers and cleaners, and it heats up and like a high-tech toilet. I'm looking for potentially a coffee machine and I'm not seeing it yet. Do they not have coffee here? There's a few. So I found the stash of coffee and it looks like they make it in a bottom. So now to find the bottom. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Holy. They're like big bottles. Look at these. That's like massive. All right. What else do they have? Glasses. Nice. Here's how you make the coffee, like a French press coffee. That's so nice. And I'm in need of one because last night we slept very little and got on a plane to come here. All right, here goes the chocolate tasting. We got different flavors here. And I'm going for this one. I'm gonna spoil my dinner. Tyler, come and enjoy some chocolates with me. They're so good.
For me fast. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm at the chocolate factory. Trying different ones. That's how good it is.
Next up, swimming pool. Here we go. This is their beautiful rooftop pool. Wow, look at that.
Now that's where I'm gonna be here. That's where I'm gonna go.
It's beautiful.
I can't wait to go swimming.
Oh, we're so going swimming even tonight.
What's our plan for tomorrow?
I think tomorrow we should just stay here and enjoy this beautiful pool. But no, tomorrow we get to do cooking classes.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Do you remember these, Chloe?
Yeah, I do. They used to have them everywhere and they do offerings, kind of like in Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
but a little different.
We're back to the crazy wiring system. Look at that. Isn't that wild? 5 years ago at this exact square.
I can't believe this. Like, we had ice cream from McDonald's and then we came here and watched them. And they're
You remember
still
it.
doing it.
They're still doing the same dance?
Yeah. Let's go to breakfast.
Breakfast time. Let's go.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Last night was a little bit of a flop because we didn't do much other than walk around the downtown, reminisce a little bit about our times that we were here, and went for dinner at some restaurant. I don't even know where we were, but it was really good food.
Let me take you on a tour of the breakfast. So it starts off with pastries and some yummy croissants. They've got ice cream here. They've got different types of juices.
Wow, that's nice. Those are smoothies. Yummy. There you've got some of the local food.
You guys, not only do they have like the really good Swiss chocolate, they have Gruyere cheese here.
For those of you who need sushi in the morning,
Sushi.
they've got real maple syrup.
And
French
French
toast,
toast.
yes.
Ooh.
Cauliflower.
Cheese.
It smells so good. I want to eat.
I want to eat everything. Okay, so now the big choice is here. What are we going to eat for breakfast? Because we literally have so many options. So
I'm gonna go start.
maybe we'll do a mixture. We'll have breakfast and dinner and lunch all at the same time. I like how they do the presentation of all their cereals. All right, here's what I decided on for breakfast. So I got a bit of a salad, some quiche, broccoli gratin, and potatoes.
Morning, I skipped right to lunch. I got a delicious salad, cheeses, and then the cauliflower gratin.
Yeah, it's so
Looks
good.
delicious.
Oh, are you guys getting into the good stuff? Mango sorbet.
Wait.
Dessert after
I
breakfast.
have to wash it first.
One of the things you can do at the Conrad Bangkok is take cooking classes. This was so special for us because Thai food is one of our favorite foods, and they taught us how to make some of the most popular Thai dishes. They also gave us step-by-step handbooks on how to replicate this when we go back home. How is it?
Spicy.
Is it spicy?
And this Thai chili is
They demonstrated to us step-by-step how to make each dish, and then each of us had a go at it ourselves.
That's around how many pieces?
30 grams? I don't know. 5, maybe? Was it easy?
Yeah.
Now for the taste test. Really good. What's next, guys?
This one.
The soup.
Tom Yum Goong.
All right, next up is Julia. Let's see how you do, Julia. She is about to prepare the same soup that we just tried.
the chicken.
Step 1, chicken stock. And now comes the final taste. Is it good?
Wait to taste it. Really good.
Oh,
Okay.
now it's our turn to taste. Here we go. Good job, Julia. Thumbs up. I think you put a lot of chili in there. Spicy but delicious. That's hot, eh? Next dish is what, Chloe?
It's called Dang Dang Gai.
Gang dang.
It's red curry with chicken.
Oh, our
And this
favorite.
is coconut.
Comes the best part to try.
That's really good.
I think this is my favorite now.
Oh.
The soup was really good, but now this is even better. When I make it at home,
It just keeps
doesn't
getting better
taste-
and better.
it doesn't taste as good when I make it.
It's everything that's inside. So let's see if Ajay can make it the same.
Let's see. I think she's going to do a good job. We've got the 3 judges here ready to judge on her ability to replicate the same as a chef. Good job, Angelique.
Now you're really
Delicious. Now for some dessert. Mango sticky rice. Oh, time to go into the pool.
hot tub first.
Hot tub first. We're going to take you guys to the local market area and show you a bit around. On we go. These are actually really comfortable. It's kind of like you're chillaxing in a back seat or on a lounge chair.
We just saw a dog cafe that was really funny. They had dogs on the table like huskies. Yeah, it was
big dogs
hilarious.
on the table.
Don't know how to feel about.
So this place here is called MBK.
There's 2,000 stores inside, but they're all mini, like this one.
Many stores here.
That you looked upon me is telling me I should go. Yeah, I will.
In case you're cold here in Thailand, you can even buy some beautiful gloves. There we go. So we found a little stand here. We're gonna get some food. So basically a meal here is about, what, $5, $6?
I want to decide now.
In our next video, we will do a full-on tour of the whole MBK center. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell.
I don't even know how to feel about it.
We'll also do a full temple tour, so come along with us. We'll tell you exactly why every tourist buys these fancy dancy elephant pants. We'll show you the biggest lying down Buddha we found here in Thailand.
No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
We'll show you the river taxis, what it's like at sunset. We'll show you a tour of the Icon Sian, which is a beautiful new shopping mall they have here in Thailand. And we try some more amazing Thai food. Lastly, we'll even show you what it's like to play tennis like a pro.